let's go on a walk. And just figured I'd like to take a little stroll with y'all and just show you a little bit of my neighborhood.
A gardener told me some plants move, but I could not believe it. To me and Hannah Hunt saw crawling vines and weeping willows as we made our way from Providence to Phoenix. A man of faith said hidden eyes could see what I was thinking. I just smiled and told him that was only true of Hannah, and we glided on through Waverly and Lincoln. Our days were long, our nights no longer. Count the seconds, watching the hours, though we live on the US dollar. You and me, we got our own sense of time. In Santa Barbara, Hannah cried and missed those freezing beaches. I walked into town to buy some kindling for the fire, and I told the New York Times I've been to pieces. If I can't trust you, then damn it, Hannah, there's no future, there's no answer. Though we live on the US dollar, you and me, we got our own sense of time.
So back down the stairs and then back home, and I will catch you later.